Welcome to Upnext 227, your front row seat to the future of motorhomes in the USA. Minibus sparkles from jaw-dropping luxury RVs to never-seen-before upcoming models, we reveal it all. Don't miss out, hit subscribe and let's roll into the future together. Buckle up because today we're diving into something that has me genuinely buzzing with excitement. The year 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most revolutionary years for motorhomes, and for those of us who live and breathe RV life, you're about to see luxury, technology, and adventure come together in ways we could only dream about a few years ago. I've been keeping my eyes and ears open, watching what the big manufacturers have been cooking up, and trust me, this top 7 list of upcoming luxury motorhomes will blow your mind. We're talking bold new designs, hybrid engines that take you further while keeping things eco-friendly, interiors that feel more like 5-star hotels than RVs, and off-road features that will let you go way beyond the campground. And of course, we'll chat about pricing and how these 2026 models stack up against what came before. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, because this is going to be one wild ride through the future of motorhomes. Let's start with number 7. At number 7, we have the big one, the Prevost Liberty Luxury Hybrid Coach. Prevost has always been the brand of choice for celebrities, touring musicians, and anyone who wants a fully customizable rolling mansion. For 2026, the Liberty Coach is embracing hybrid tech without sacrificing the insane luxury it's known for. On the outside, it looks like a futuristic tour bus, sleek and commanding on the road. Hybrid technology ensures it's cleaner and quieter than ever before, while the suspension system makes even the roughest roads feel like silk. Step inside and you'll be floored. Think chandelier lighting, handcrafted furniture, multiple entertainment zones, and even optional office setups for those who work while traveling. The level of customization is off the charts. You can basically build it to your personal taste. Compared to past Liberty coaches, this one is far more eco-friendly and tech-driven, with smart home integration throughout. Pricing starts around $1.5 million, but let's be honest, for Prevost buyers, money isn't really the deciding factor. It's all about owning the very best. And there you have it, folks, the top 7 luxury motorhomes for 2026. What ties all of them together is this clear shift toward hybrid engines, smarter interiors, and off-road capability. Manufacturers know that today's motorhome enthusiasts aren't just parking at campgrounds anymore. We're exploring, we're adventuring, and we want comfort and sustainability to come along for the ride. Compared to the models of just 5 or 10 years ago, these 2026 editions feel like a whole new world. They're smarter, greener, and so much more luxurious. Now here's one that's going to excite a lot of people. Mercedes-Benz is stepping deeper into the luxury RV scene with the 2026 Vario Global Explorer. This model is all about merging Mercedes luxury with rugged off-road capability. From the outside, it's sleek yet tough, think G-Wagon vibes but stretched into a motorhome. The hybrid engine gives it both range and sustainability, while the all-wheel drive and lifted suspension mean you can take it just about anywhere. The inside is unmistakably Mercedes, minimalist, modern, and drenched in premium materials. You've got leather everywhere, touchscreen controls for everything from lighting to climate, and a compact but luxurious kitchen setup. The sleeping area is modular, allowing you to reconfigure based on whether you want more lounge space or more bedding. Compared to past Mercedes RV concepts, the Global Explorer feels like the one that's finally ready for the spotlight. Expect pricing to start around $400,000, which is competitive considering the brand and capability. Next up is Integra, a brand that prides itself on craftsmanship and ride comfort. The Cornerstone Hybrid Plus for 2026 is basically a rolling palace. At first glance, you'll notice the sleek new design, sharper lines, bold color palettes, and a more modern front fascia. The hybrid drivetrain ensures you're not just burning fuel endlessly. Instead, you're getting efficiency without losing any power. This model is particularly exciting for off-roaders, as it features an adaptive suspension system that automatically adjusts depending on the terrain, so whether you're climbing hills or cruising highways, you're riding smooth. Inside, Integra brings the wow factor with handcrafted cabinetry, premium seating, and a state-of-the-art entertainment system. One cool feature is the smart glass windows that tint automatically based on sunlight. No more pulling blinds every time the sun moves. Compared to older Cornerstone models, this one is smarter, greener, and far more connected. Pricing should be close to $700,000, positioning it right in the luxury tier but still under some of the ultra-high-end models like the new King Air. Thor has been dominating the motorhome market for years with a wide range of models, but the Tuscany Elite Hybrid 45 for 2026 is one that's going to turn heads. Imagine a coach that combines Italian-inspired design with American engineering. The Tuscany Elite comes with an all-new hybrid engine setup that allows for extended range and reduced emissions. And for those who crave adventure, it features a rugged off-road package with terrain response modes and a reinforced suspension. Step inside and you'll feel like you've entered a luxury loft in downtown Manhattan. There's an open floor plan with high ceilings, panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light, and a full kitchen with premium appliances. What really impressed me is the bathroom design. It's not just functional, it's spa-inspired with rainfall showers and backlit mirrors. Compared to older Tuscany models, the 2026 Elite feels more youthful, more adventurous, yet still incredibly comfortable. The pricing is rumored to be around $500,000 to $550,000, which is pretty competitive for what you're getting. If there's one brand that screams high-end luxury, it's Newmar. The King Air has been their flagship for years, basically the Rolls-Royce of the RV world. In 2026, the King Air 50 Hybrid Edition is raising the bar again. This thing is massive, nearly bus-sized, and it looks like it belongs in a luxury car show rather than on a campground. The exterior is sleek, with deep metallic paint options and LED light accents that wrap around the sides. Underneath all that beauty, you get a hybrid diesel-electric drivetrain that not only saves fuel but gives you insane torque for pulling up mountains without breaking a sweat. The inside is where King Air earns its crown. We're talking marble countertops, heated tile floors, leather seating, and even a smart entertainment system with voice control. The master suite feels like a 5-star hotel room with a king-size bed, custom cabinetry, and spa-style bathroom. Compared to past models, the 2026 edition is much more eco-friendly and tech-driven. Price tag, expect to pay north of $1 million, maybe around $1.2 million, but for those who want the absolute pinnacle of motorhome luxury, this is it. Now let's talk about something iconic, Airstream. That shiny aluminum bullet look is instantly recognizable. But in 2026, Airstream is taking its luxury game up a notch with the Atlas Evo. The exterior stays true to its polished roots, but it's been reimagined with futuristic curves and adaptive solar panels built right into the roof. Imagine charging your hybrid battery just by sitting in the sun at a beautiful campsite. Yes, that's reality now. Inside, the Atlas Evo is all about maximizing comfort in a compact footprint. It comes with a slide-out that reveals a surprisingly spacious living area, a Murphy bed that folds down with hotel-style bedding, and a kitchenette that rivals some city apartments. The hybrid drive gives you both long-distance range and whisper-quiet city driving, and for off-roaders, Airstream has given it all-terrain tires and a reinforced chassis so you can go beyond smooth highways. Compared to the older Atlas models, the Evo feels more futuristic, more energy efficient, and more luxurious. Pricing is expected to hover around $310,000, which is right in line for a premium Airstream, but now you're getting a lot more tech for your money. Winnebago has always been a staple in the RV world. Their Horizon line has been around for years, known for sleek design and reliability, but the 2026 Horizon Hybrid XL takes things to a whole new level. The first thing you'll notice is the futuristic look, sharp aerodynamic edges, a panoramic windshield that feels like sitting inside a spaceship, and an exterior lighting design that makes it glow on the road at night. Under the hood, this model brings a hybrid powertrain that combines a powerful diesel engine with an electric assist system. The result, smooth acceleration, better fuel efficiency, and the ability to creep silently into campgrounds or scenic spots without a sound. Off-road lovers will geek out over the adjustable suspension that can lift the body when tackling rough trails. No more worrying about scraping the bottom when you want to get off the beaten path. Inside, the Horizon Hybrid XL feels like stepping into a modern condo. Expensive open layout, smart lighting that adjusts with your mood, a full kitchen with induction cooking, and a bedroom suite with a smart climate system. Compared to previous Horizon models, the tech leap is huge. The 2026 version is less about being just a motorhome and more about being a mobile smart home on wheels. Pricing is expected to start around $450,000, which sounds like a lot, but when you see the leap in comfort and efficiency, you realize it's the future knocking on our door. So which one's your favorite? Are you dreaming about the futuristic Airstream Atlas Evo, the palatial Newmar King Air, or maybe the rugged Mercedes Vario Global Explorer? Drop your pick in the comments below because I want to hear which of these beauties you'd take on your next adventure. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your fellow RV lovers, because the future of motorhomes is looking brighter, bolder, and more exciting than ever. Thanks for watching Upnext 227, where the future of motorhomes hits the road first. Minibus Sparkles, if you enjoyed this reveal, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next big motorhome drop. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep rolling forward.